Hello friends, welcome to our channel Agrico's World. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the important MCQs from general genetics. These questions are useful for JRF, SRF and other competitive exams related to agriculture. Now let's move on into our first question. The sum total of genes present in mitochondria is? The sum total of genes present in mitochondria is chondriome, and sum total of genes present in chloroplast is plastome, and cytoplasm is plasmon. Inheritance due to the genes present in cytoplasm is? The inheritance due to the genes which are present in cytoplasm is extranuclear inheritance, extrachromosomal inheritance, cytoplasmic inheritance. So all the above is the answer. First case of cytoplasmic inheritance was reported by? The first case of cytoplasmic inheritance, which is also called as non-Mendelian or organellar inheritance, was reported by the scientist Correns while he was working on the leaf color of Mirabilis jalapa, the 4 o'clock plant. The linkage group for genes of cytoplasm is? The linkage group for the genes of the cytoplasm is circular, whereas the linkage group for the genes other than the cytoplasm is linear. That is the chromosomal genes. Effect of the maternal genotype in snail was studied by? Effect of the maternal genotype for the coiling pattern in the snail was studied by Sturtevant. In floor moth, production of the pigment in eye and skin is governed by? The floor moth produces a pigment known as a kynurin, and it is governed by the dominant nuclear genes. In paramecium, the strain with kappa particles is? The paramecium produces the kappa particles, which leads to the production of the toxin paramecium. If the paramecium is with kappa particles, it is a killer strain, and if the paramecium doesn't contain any kappa particles, then it is a sensitive strain. Sigma particle in Drosophila is related to? The sigma particle in Drosophila is related to the carbon dioxide sensitivity. In ciliate protozoans, the cytoplasmic DNA is? In ciliate protozoans, the cytoplasmic DNA is linear. The synthesis of cytoplasmic DNA is blocked when it is treated with? When the cytoplasmic DNA is treated with acriflavin, ethidium bromide and actinomycin, all of these can cause the blockage of the synthesis of the cytoplasmic DNA. In iojab phenotype of maize, the mutant plastids produce which color in the leaves? In iojab, the iojab phenotype is governed by plastids. The green leaves are produced when there is a normal plastid, and striped leaves are produced when there is a mixture of both mutant and normal plastids. But when there are only the mutant plastids, it produces the white color of the leaves. Pockiness in Neurospora is example of which inheritance? The pockiness in Neurospora is an example of mitochondrial inheritance. Mutant of peptide yeast does not grow on which medium? The peptide mutant has a defective cytoplasm and it cannot grow on the glucose. Polygenic inheritance shows which of the following? The polygenic inheritance shows continuous variation because it cannot be grouped into clear-cut classes, but the oligogenic inheritance shows discontinuous variation. Polygenic variation is based on? The polygenic variation is based on means, variances and covariances, whereas oligogenic variation is based on frequencies and ratios. Which of the following trait is highly sensitive to environmental change? The polygenic trait is highly sensitive to the environmental change. DNA segments that migrate from one cell organelle to another is known as? The DNA segments which migrate from one cell organelle to the another is known as promiscuous DNA. Inheritance of skin color in man was studied by? The inheritance of skin color in man is studied by Davenport. Which of the following are the examples of polygenic inheritance? Kernel color in wheat, corolla length in tobacco, skin color in man. All of these are the examples of polygenic inheritance. Nielsen-Ehle studied the polygenic inheritance in which of the following? Nielsen-Ehle studied the polygenic inheritance in kernel color of the wheat. Moving on to the next question. Who divided the genetic variants into additive, dominance and epistatic components? Fisher is the scientist who had divided the genetic variants into additive, dominance and epistatic components, whereas Wright divided the genetic variants into additive and non-additive components, and Mather divided the phenotypic variants into heritable fixable and heritable non-fixable components. Appearance of the transgressive segregation is an important feature of polygenic inheritance. Which of the following variability is non-heritable? Environmental variability is non-heritable because it is easily affected by the environment, whereas phenotypic and genotypic variability are heritable. Which of the following is an intra-allelic interaction? Dominance interaction is an intra-allelic interaction, whereas epistatic interaction is inter-allelic interaction. Which of the following variance is due to the deviation of the heterozygote from average homozygotes? It is the dominance variance. Which of the following interactions are not fixable? Additive dominance and dominance dominance are the interactions which are not fixable and they are not inherited, but additive interaction is fixable and heritable. Wright divided the genetic variants into Wright had divided the genetic variants into additive and non-additive components. Which of the following epistatic gene action is suitable for exploitation of heterosis? Both additive dominance and dominance dominance interactions are suitable for exploitation of heterosis, whereas additive interaction is suitable for mass selection and progeny selection. In random mating populations with no epistasis and zero inbreeding, the covariance among the full sibs is half VA plus 1/4 VD. When it is the covariance between parents and offsprings, it is half VA, and if it is the covariance between half sibs, it is 1/4 VA, where VA is additive variance and VD is dominance variance. Closely linked and functionally related genes are The closely linked and functionally related genes are pseudoalleles. They govern different expression of the same character and occupy the same locus. The position occupied by a gene on chromosome is called. The position occupied by a gene on chromosome is termed as locus. The intervening genes which do not code for any amino acids are called. They are called as the split genes. Genes which exhibit higher mutation rate than the other are called as the mutable genes. Example is white eye in Drosophila. Dotted gene in maize is an example of the dotted gene in maize is an example of mutator gene, and the mutator gene enhances the natural mutation rate. Benza divided the gene into three components while working on R2 locus of bacteriophage. And he divided the gene into cistron, recon and muton. The largest element within a gene which is the unit of function is cistron, and recon is the region within the gene between which recombination occurs, and muton is the smallest element of the gene. The genes which code for more than one protein are called as overlapping genes. The first case of split gene was reported by The first case of split genes were reported for overalbumin of chicken. Transpoons were discovered by Transpoons are also known as jumping genes, and these are the genes which move from one position of the chromosome to the another position, and these were discovered by Barbara McClinton. For staying in tune with us, you can even join our WhatsApp group where the number is provided on the screen. Thank you friends. I hope you liked our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel AgriCourse World for more content related to agriculture.